Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Today we're making an easy, healthy banana bread that's soft, moist, and turns out perfect every time. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set it aside. Next, mash 2 to 3 medium ripe bananas until smooth. You'll need about 1 cup of mashed bananas. In a medium bowl, whisk together the 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, beat 2 eggs, then add half a cup of melted coconut oil, a 1/3 cup of honey or maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of milk or Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and mix until well combined. Add the 1 cup of mashed bananas and mix again. Ripe bananas are perfect for baking because they're naturally sweet and full of flavor, and they also help keep the banana bread extra moist. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and gently mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix so the banana bread stays soft and tender. Fold in half a cup of dark chocolate chips, or use chopped walnuts or raisins if you prefer. This step is optional, you can skip it if you like. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. If desired, sprinkle the top with a little cinnamon, or add chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or oats for extra texture and flavor. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let the banana bread rest in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Then remove it from the pan and place it on a wire rack. Cake has fully cooled. I'm going to try some. This banana bread is delicious warm, but I personally love it cooled and served with a hot cup of coffee or tea. And you can easily make it gluten-free by using a 1-to-1 gluten-free flour blend. For a dairy-free or vegan version, use plant-based milk, flax eggs, and maple syrup instead of honey. Very moist. If you'd like to make this easy banana bread at home, you can find the full recipe and metric conversions in the description box below. So delicious. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.